Hello everyone, today I will show you how to clear Snapchat chats, and here's how it's done. Method 1. Remove a chat from the chat list. Open the Snapchat app and tap the chat icon at the bottom to view your chats. Find the conversation you want to delete and press and hold on it. A menu will appear. Select Chat and Notification Settings. Then tap on Clear from Chat Feed. This will remove the chat from your list. But keep in mind that if the other person has saved any messages, they will still be able to see them. Method 2. Clear conversations via settings. Launch Snapchat, then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down to the Account Actions section and select Clear Conversations. You'll see a list of present chats. Either tap the X next to the individual conversations to clear them or clear all at once. Again, note that messages saved by others will remain visible to them. And that is everything to know about how to clear Snapchat chats in 2025. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.